Hi, first grade friends. We are going to be taking Math Test 30 today. It looks like this. We are going to be going through it together. As always, I want you to take your time and do your best. You can pause this video as many times as you need to so that you can make sure that you understand exactly what you're doing and that you do it correctly. All right, so make sure that you have your test paper, a pencil, an eraser, and a quiet place where you can focus. All right, number 1, write the answers to the combinations your teacher says. All right, so I'm going to read you the combinations and you're going to write the answers in the boxes. Box A, 6 plus 6. Box B, 12 minus 7. Box C, 11 minus 5. Box D, 4 plus 6. Box E, 3 plus 8. Box F, 12 minus 2. Okay, so for number 2, you are going to set the minute hand on the clocks. The clocks that are there already have their hour hand drawn in. You are going to look at the time underneath each clock and you are going to draw the minute hand. So look at the time and then decide where should the minute hand be for that time on the clock. Now for number 3, you're going to have to listen again because I'm going to be telling you where to mark your answer. So it says mark the circle under the digit in the place your teacher says. Okay, so look at the first number. You are going to mark the circle under the number that is in the tens place. For the first number, 532, you are going to mark the digit that is in the tens place. For the next number, number 78, you are going to mark the circle under the digit that is in the ones place. For the next number, number 100, you are going to mark the circle under the digit that is in the tens place. And for the last number, 263, please mark the circle under the number that is in the hundreds place. For number 4, you are going to read the story problem and then write the combination and also write down the answer. So for the first one in number 4, I'll read it to you. Tanya saw 7 spotted eggs and 6 pale green eggs. How many eggs did she see altogether? You're going to write the combination and the answer. Make sure you write the answer in both answer boxes. And for the second story problem, Alex spent $12 at the spring fair. Tina spent $4. How many more dollars did Alex spend than Tina? Remember what we need to do when you see how many more. Okay, and then for that one, also make sure that you have both of your answers or your answer in both answer boxes. For number 5, you are going to count by tens. Okay, so starting at the number 15, count by tens to fill in the empty boxes. For number 6 on the back, you are going to write the sums and the differences. Sums and differences means adding and subtracting, so make sure you pay close attention to what they want you to do for each combination. For number 7, you are going to mark the circle to show how many cents you see. So look at those groups of coins. Okay, for the first group, they're not in order from biggest amount to smallest amount, so pay attention to that. And maybe try and do what we talked about with numbering the coins if that helps you. So you're going to do that for both of the groups of coins that you see there. For number 8, you're going to write the sums and differences again. Again, there are going to be addition combinations and subtraction combinations, so make sure you pay attention to what they want you to do so that your answer is correct. And then along the bottom there, you have some longer combinations, some of which have addition and subtraction in the same combination, so pay close attention to what they want you to do there. And then last, number 9, you're going to write greater than or less than. So look at the two numbers, decide is the first number greater than or less than the second number, and then write whichever symbol makes it true in the empty box. I know you're going to do fantastic. Check over your work. Make sure you do a great job paying attention to what they want you to do, and I will see you back here for our next math lesson.